Hi, I'm Tim Bartlett with SharperTek Ultrasonics, and I'm here today to demonstrate our 25-gallon ultrasonic vapor degreaser. In this tank here, we have our boil sump and our ultrasonic cleaning tank. They measure 14.5 by 12 by 8.5. So you can fit a part up to that big in there. We have these speaker covers we're going to try and clean. They're stamped, so they got a lot of stamping oil on them, and there's quite a bit of lube on them. So we're going to throw them into our basket here, and then we're going to drop it down into our boil sump, right above our boil sump, so that the solvent vapor can condense onto the part, and that will help remove all of the oils from the part as the solvent is on there, and it drips away with the oils into the boil sump tank. With our coils here, we condense the vapors as they boil up off of the tank, and then we drop them down into our gutter here. We have a water separator via gravity on the back of this thing, and so it'll release any of the water that's built up in the tanks that condenses onto the coils. That's not the solvent. There's also a filtration system here, as well as the ultrasonic generator in the ultrasonic tank. So now that we've got this pretty well vapor degreased above the boil sump, it doesn't take very long for the part to get up to temperature and the condensation no longer happens. So we'll drop it over into our ultrasonic tank. And then once it's in that ultrasonic tank, we can turn our ultrasonic cycle on. And once we have this on, we're going to run our sonics. Oh, we got some really good sonic power going on in there, so we know we're cleaning that part off of all the fine particles that might have been remaining after we did our vapor greasing. Once it runs for just about a minute or two, it's typically how long they need. More complex, heavier parts might need a little bit more time, but these ones here, it's a speaker cover, it's pretty thin, it's not going to take too long. So let me pick this one up out of here. And then we'll set it up into our vapor zone up here to allow the solvent vapor to evaporate from the part and condense onto the coils before we pull it out of the machine. Okay, now we're pulling it out of here. We can shut our ultrasonics off because we're all done with those. Pull that out of here, and we'll have a cleaned and dried part, which is going to be free of any oils and debris. As you can see here, that's a nice, shiny, clean part. That's basically what we're looking for here. So that's what we got. And that process is this is a full video here, so we didn't have to take any cuts or any breaks here. We got this cleaning pretty quickly without having to put too much effort into it. So go ahead and check out a SharperTek vapor degreaser at www.sharpertek.com and give us a call, and we can hook you up with one of these. Thanks a lot. I'm Tim Bartlett. Have a great day.